Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you so that you do not do like this client. Let's see. A few days ago they brought us a BMW E90 318 diesel engine, whose chain had broken of distribution. We have changed everything. We have repaired what was wrong. The fact is that we have told him that he had to change the crankshaft pulley. There you have it in front of him, and he says no, that he does not see it as bad. Look. Do you see how it is? If it is all full of cracks, in fact, they turn the shock absorber that carries the pulley, what you see with cracks, which is a rubber. This at any moment is going to split and go to end up destroying the engine, but there are people who say these things to them and they don't come to their senses, and in the end we have mounted it with this pulley. I have told him that I am not going to give him a guarantee of anything until I change the pulley, anyway. That there are people for everything. You do not do this. If you see, in your car, that you have a pulley that is, like this or even use less than this, change it as soon as possible. Because this will break at any moment and cause serious damage to the engine. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.